I'm Max Dalton, and in this video, I'll show you how to have Siri stop reading text messages out loud on Apple CarPlay. Step 1. Open the Settings app on your iPhone. Step 2. Scroll down the menu and tap Apple Intelligence and Siri or Siri and Search depending on your iOS version. Step 3. Tap Announce Notifications in the Siri section. Step 4. Scroll down to the Announce When Connected To section and tap CarPlay. Step 5. Tap the toggle switch next to Announce Messages to turn it off. The switch will flip to gray, meaning Siri will no longer automatically read incoming text over your car speakers. If you prefer to make changes while you are already on the road, you can also manage this directly from your vehicle dashboard. When a new text message comes in and Siri begins reading it, a banner will appear on your CarPlay display. You can tap the Announce button on that active notification banner to instantly toggle the feature off without needing to touch your iPhone. Alternatively, if you still want to get notifications from certain apps but specifically hate how Siri repeats the text drafts back to you before sending them, you can change a different setting. Go into your iPhone Settings app, select Apple Intelligence and Siri, tap Messaging with Siri, and then turn on the toggle for Automatically Send Messages. This allows Siri to send your dictated replies instantly without wasting time reading them out loud first. Let me know if this video helped you out in the comments below. If you liked what you saw here, click the video links on the right side of the screen to check out another video. Or click the logo on the left side of the screen to check out my tutorial website at www.maxdalton.how.